Boom. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Storage Your Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, swap hands, all the above. How much hold up gang is there now? It's 4. We're 2/4 of the hold up gang right now. Yeah, we got the babysitter. You know what I'm saying? That's why we can't break free like that, because I don't trust people.
Being left with a babysitter, there was a woman that was older than me, that was older, and her, you know, touching him, doing things to me that don't normally happen to kids.
Campesino wants to go downtown, right? Because this is New York and you gotta go downtown. Me, I would have stayed in the Bronx, you know what I'm saying? Or the Heights. But we're gonna go downtown. We're supposed to be hitting this spot. Hopefully it's not too crowded. It's supposed to be the best wings in the city, so we're gonna check them out down to the East Village. But anyway, man, yeah, you hype?
Yes.
Yeah.
Go outside in the night.
Well, I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's what it's called, being a mother. A responsible mother. But anyway, yo, follow us. It's time to get loud. It's time to represent. You hype? Get out the house. Dang. Shout out to Dossier. You use my discount code MrStorageBeach5. Save 5% off your purchase. Ow. Looking all Feliz Navidades. It's looking Navidad. Navidad. Who wants to party? The last time I've been down here, and I always say that, the last time I've been down here, I believe it was about 2018. Come here. I don't like, it's two things I don't like. I don't like when I'm vlogging and somebody's like directly behind me, and I don't like to be directly behind somebody else, because it's like I can't get none of the views, because you want to just, you know, dilly-dally in front of me. Yeah, not you. I'm saying the person in front. Yeah. But yeah. There's like a Barcade or something down here. It's been a minute. 2018. And matter of fact, I believe 2 days later or a day later, whatever, I was coming to the DR to get you pregnant.
Esa dama me puso a hablar con los palos de luz y los zafacones. Siento que en la vida me ha cambiado.
Yeah, it worked out like that. Yo, this daylight savings time is like crazy for me. It's like not even 6 o'clock and it's looking like this. I was on the train at first, I was like, God, duh. But yeah, so we headed down here, East Village. I'm trying to order everything on the menu. I ain't even ate today. We're eating bad all weekend. We always eat bad, you know what I'm saying? Always. Oh yeah, Barcade, see, I told you. That's a spot. Yeah, you play video games and they got like drinks and stuff. I had to go one time for my old job, Bronx Works. Oh, matter of fact, somebody came up in Bronx. Somebody came and mentioned Bronx Works today. But anyway, it was Bronx Works. We had to do like an outing or something, and we had to go there like every Friday, or no, every other Friday, some shit, I don't know. But we went there. I was just ready to go and get the DR. I ain't give a shit about that.
I need you with me, 100%.
I'm here.
East Village. East Village. East Village. Oh hell yeah, cool. That was up. I'm with it. Nobody's here? Cool. Here you go, my lady. They were cooking. All right, so check this out. We're gonna hit this ice cream spot since we already out doing bad. But hey, what you think about the wing spot?
That's good. like.
Well then, nah, yo, wing spot was, yeah, it was popping. This is what I wish though. I should have told them fry hard, cause you know me, I like them fried, like really fried. But yo, that flavor was good, yo. That spot, yeah. And I don't feel like crazy food. Yeah, more crispy. What about you?
Whatever you like.
Her want what I want. Nah, but yeah, nah, that spot was it was banging. We had the fried pickle chips. Pause if you have to. Yeah.
The mac cheese.
Okay. It was okay, but it did have buffalo some buffalo dipping sauce. That was alright too. But yeah. The wings were, I ain't gonna front. It wasn't what I thought it was gonna be. I thought this spot was gonna be more of like a bar, but yo, it was cool. I could sit right down and do my thing. My rib had the sangria, frozen sangria.
Yes.
Her super borracho.
No borracho.
Yeah.
Maybe 2, 3 more.
Yeah. Word. Yo, so now we're gonna go to stuffed ice cream. You right?
Bueno, it's my day. I want everything.
Let's go.
Have you ever loved someone so much you thought you died? Giving so much of yourself. It seems the only way. Tell me what you want and I will give it to you. Because you are my love. Do you ever dream of candy coated raindrops? You're the same, my candy rain.
Yo, so I got the cinnamon toast crunch and fruity pebbles, topped with Captain Crunch. She got the Lucky Charms with marshmallows. Nah, Lucky Boom, so fresh out of stuffed ice cream, NYC. Yo, I ain't one that goes to no restaurant and be like, yo, let me get the dessert and all that. But since I'm not drinking,
Daddy's got a sweet tooth tonight.
pause if you have to. Hell yeah, man. I got the donut with the, oh, I already said the donut with the,
I already heard. Go sit down.
yo, that joint was banging. I'm full and I'm good. I need to get my walk on, but that's my only meal of the whole day. That's all I ate today. Yeah. Oh, what you think about your ice cream? Yeah. Could you eat it another one tonight?
More.
Yeah.
I'm full.
A little thought. You full?
Yes.
You ready to go home? Cool. Yeah.
I go. Thank you very much.
We got to be up tomorrow to go to LaGuardia. Hopefully get that clear. If you mess up this time, that's on you. I don't know. 'Cause you don't be knowing none of the questions they be asking. They be wanting to know what year was that old ass Mercedes you had in
My Mercedes in the Magic. I don't understand. I never had Mercedes-Benz.
You never had?
I drive a Mercedes-Benz, but I for a lot of time. But
Well, they sure did ask. They was asking wild questions.
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm trying to contemplate, do we just take the train and the bus? Do I go cheap on the 275? Or do I get pissed off and pay all that, I don't know, because then we can get something else bad to eat.
I don't want to. I did not really like the vibe.
God damn. Get this shit checked, brother. Nah, that's wild. Yo, I'd be so embarrassed. All right, 400 likes if you like that vid, appreciate it. Thank you. It's 11:29. Well, it's about 11:30. Gotta get ready to get to work. So let me just give you a quick update on Famous Nobody. Shout out to them, /22X marks the spot. You can check them out. Remember last vid, I got that surprise. I just got a surprise alert from H&M. But anyway, I did get the NWAT. Boom, size medium. These joints fit like those, like that boxy type fit. And they do run a little big, pause if you have to. But medium's good for me, and especially I ain't been drinking for like 21 days. I'm thinking about drinking this weekend because I'm on this other type of fast. I gotta shout out Be More 410. I don't eat until the sun goes down, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I don't even drink water. Anyway, yeah, so I went up in there to Famous Nobody, and I wanted to cop this cap right here. This is the Phoenix joint. This is the City Series. Hell yeah. The reason why I copped this is because there's some game patent pants that I wanted from the Phoenix joints that I slept on when they was at Mitchell and Ness. But whatever, now they on sale, so I'm about to check out Karma Loop. Check them out, but make sure you go get the discount code somewhere. Just Google it, it'll give you a discount code. They got mad joints. Even that Charlotte one looking alright too. I'm thinking about it, but I don't know. But I'm definitely gonna get the Phoenix because that joint was tough. But anyway, it's an orange cap. You got the Phoenix logo right there. Take to the side. I'm a pro. City Series side patch, 22 right there. Other side, boom. Phoenix, 22, 2014, 2023. You already know it's a snapback 5-star general right there. X marks the spot logo, and yes, snapback black tab right there. 22 lettering in white stitch. Take it to that underbrim. You got them flames and you got the movement. It's the gray underbrim right here. Like I said, flames and movement. Word. Black headband. So this joint ain't gonna get dirty. Thank you for that. But yeah. I definitely wanted to pick this up because I got me a chillin' kill in mind for DR. Where? You know what I'm saying? Got that button at the top. It's purple. This joint's dope. I do like the fact how they broke it up. I wish them Bo Jackson sneaks would have came like this. You know what I'm saying? Pause if you have to. As a matter of fact, I'm throwing these on with the Bo Jacksons. I don't care if it's purple. The other joints is kind of purplish. But speaking of purple, they threw me the Bronx snapback. It's gray with the purple brim. You got the BX logo right there. The B in purple, the X in black. Gray cap. Take to the side patch. Boom, I'm a pro. City Series 2014. The other side, 22 logo right there. 2014. Bronx. Take to the back. 5-star general. X marks the spot. It's a snapback. Black tab with the 22 lettering. You can peep the movement. Black sweatband, so you don't get this joint dirty. Yeah, there they go right there. My pickup, and then, you know, off the strip. I appreciate Favorite Nobody. Shout out to them. Check them out. X marks the spot. 22, all that. Located right here in the heart of the Bronx for her. But anyway, man, about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob. Shout out to everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. I gotta get to work. Follow me on that Snap. Follow me on that IG. Follow me on that Twitter be. But that's not. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. What You Beat. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.